In this video, we will be featuring Tools application. Tools app is a versatile productivity tool designed to help users organize their thoughts, tasks, and ideas efficiently. It combines note-taking, to-do lists, reminders, and calendar features in one place. Well, as for this beginner's guide, we're going to be exploring how you can use Tools application efficiently as a beginner. So first, I want you to create an application in Tools app by accessing tools.com. When you access tools.com, it will introduce you into the sign up or login page. So just click the sign up button and then create an account, and it will automatically log in into your account. As you can see, I just created my Tools account recently. So let's head back into the main interface. Inside the main interface, it will show you every single tab and every single list in the home screen. So for example, if you want to select a list, or you can even add a list here by clicking the new list button, and this is the ready template that you can use for this list. So head back to the list again and then select a list. So after selecting a list, as you can see here, this list is also the indicator of the date that you created this list. So it will act as a calendar too. Inside this calendar, or let's think that this is definitely a calendar, you can add reminders here, events, note-taking, or even birthday plans or any plans that is related to an event. So let's say that my thing here is that I have the finished template. When you type that in, it will automatically be recorded into this list, and you can even edit this or even share it to people by clicking the share button, or you can even move it to another list by clicking the move button. Next is I want you to transform this list, or I mean this note. As you can see here, I have the finish something note is already. This is just a simple note, but if you want to make it as a to-do note, just click this dash icon and then click the to-do symbol. Now, as you can see here, this is turned into a to-do action. And once you're done with this action, you just need to click or tick this circle symbol. And as you can see here, it has made an effect that you have finished an action. Next is, if you want to share this list, you can head into this three-dotted icon and then click it. Then click the share list. Once you share this list, there are 6 options that you can do. I mean 5 options, which is you can publish it to Tools World. Publicly, you can even share your universal link. You can copy this text to your clipboard. You can convert it as an image, TXT, MD, or even PDF, and you can even print it. So let's try to publish it to Tools World, which is the public world. Then click this publish button and then confirm it. Now let's head back to our profile page and let's see if it has appeared. So as you can see here, the one list has been shared to the public world. So that is one of the great things about those apps, since you can share anything around the world and everyone will see. You can share positivity or even awareness around the world using the Tools application. So let's head back to our list, and then why does it was called Tools app, or what does the Tools name means? Well, from the word itself, Tools app means that there are 2 individuals inside a list, or it is possible. By clicking a simple note and click this dotted icon here, you can collab with others using the collab action or collab feature of Tools application. Just click this share and then I meant here. So let's head back to our home screen. Here in the collab, you can put the list that you want to collab with. Here in the list, you can create a collaboration with others by clicking the 3-dotted icon here and then click the more options. You can make a collab here by clicking the 3-dotted icon and then clicking the share list. and share a universal link. So once you share this universal link, anyone who has an access to this link and once they click it will be a collaborator to your list, and they can add anything there like a notes, reminder, or any plans. Next is the calendar. Well, basically, the calendar feature is just like how Google Calendar Calendly follows the calendar formatting or interface, where every single date has a event that it contains, where the user has placed that in them. Next is the stars. As you can see, when you achieve something, when you achieve something in the to-do action, it will pop up a simple celebration effect. Well, these stars are a different thing. Once you enter a list and then head into a note-taking, then click this, you can start a note here. And when you start them, it will be moved here. Just the same idea how you can move the notes with the to-dos list. Next is I'd like you to see the home interface, since the home interface introduces you the available list that you have created inside the Tools application. So when you hover into this book icon, it will open in reading mode, but you cannot access it directly, or you cannot edit here directly. You need to click this icon here. So that's a great feature about this application, since it's like a preview of the recent notes or recent lists that you have created in order for you to keep track of the events that you have planned, or even the things that you want to do in the Tools application or in real life. So when you click this again, open the in reading mode, and then click this, it will go to the calendar or the list that you want to add it. And then lastly is I want you to explore what's inside the settings, since this is one of the most important thing, and this is the how you appear digitally in the Tools application, like your username, your bio, your phone number, and even the appearance of the application still matters, since we are the users who are using the Tools application. So again, you can use Tools application in your best by accessing a list and then creating reminders, transforming them into to-dos action, note-taking, and even sharing or collaborating it with others, and sharing your work through the world feature of Tools application. And basically, that's it for a beginner guide, and thank you for listening.